Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. Now you're like, why does she have like a half-beat face? That's because today we're gonna be reviewing and testing out the new Makeup Revolution concealer that has hit the market and has taken it by storm because everybody and their mother is talking about this. So today, you know, I got one myself and I decided to review it for you guys. So if you guys want to see what happens with this bad boy here, just stay tuned. So to get started, I already have my face done, my eyes and all that good stuff, and I'm just gonna jump right into this concealer so that we don't waste any time, okay? This is the concealer here. I just got mine yesterday in the mail from Ulta. It is still in its package. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this concealer underneath my eyes and all the places that I would normally conceal. I did pick up the shade C11. I think this might be too light for me because I actually went into Ulta yesterday and I saw that they had them in stores, and I think this is too light for me, but I already bought it, so we're gonna make it work because we're not in the habit of spending money here. This concealer does retail for $8, which is why so many people are excited about it. However, you will note that you only get 0.11 fluid ounces, whereas with the ColourPop concealer, to be quite honest, I don't know how many ounces you get, but I'll insert it somewhere on the screen. You typically get a little bit more with concealers than you get with this. It is being compared to the Tarte Shape Tape, and for the Tarte Shape Tape, you do get more with this. I was going to do a side-by-side comparison. However, I know how Tarte Shape Tape works. You know how Tarte Shape Tape works. I'm not going to give them any more press than they need, okay? So let's just jump right into this. Taking it out, it does have the same wand as the Tarte Shape Tape or whatever, so that's really nice because I did like that wand a lot. There is no actual scent to this, I don't think. No, it's fine, so we're gonna go ahead and apply it, like I said, where we would usually highlight, and let's see if this shade works for me. This is C11 once again. It feels really creamy, so that's nice. And that one dip from in there covered all the areas that I would normally highlight. Okay, not bad. So let's just blend this out to see what happens. My mom is in the middle trying to do Thais's hair. It's like a shit show. It's blending out pretty well. So far, so good. Like, no issues, as you all can tell. It looks really good, so let's see the under eye, because this is the real test of time, you know? But before we do that, I'm just going to pour out some powder so we can set right after the deed, you know? Okay guys, that is one side blended out really well and quickly. Not much work to be done, so like I said, so far so good. I think the real test for this concealer is going to be how well it holds up throughout the day. I'm about to go out with my friend to go like shopping and stuff, so we will see how this holds up throughout the day and what happens and what not. So let's continue on blending this side. Also, I usually like to let my concealer dry a little bit before blending it out, and this one did not dry as fast as I thought it was going to, which is great. Oh, I'm starving. Okay. So like I said, I don't think that this is the right shade for my under eye. So to correct that, I'm gonna bake my under eye with the Laura Mercier powder in the shade medium deep to offset the color under my eyes, because I think this is too pink and I need something a little bit more golden. So I'm definitely gonna return this for another shade if it works out. If it doesn't, I'm gonna just return this. Yeah, that definitely fixed the issue a lot. You know something wrong with this. Okay. Yeah. Oh god, this powder just never fails. Okay, so that's my face done for right now. I'm gonna go ahead and finish like the rest of my face, get dressed, show you guys what the final look ends up looking like, and then I'll check back in at the end of the day to show you how this concealer is holding up. But so far so good. As you can tell, I don't have any creasing. It's not looking cakey or anything. I don't normally have really bad under eye creasing except for like right here. So we'll see how it holds up. See you then. Okay guys, so this is the final product that I have for my face. I think it looks really good. The concealer really dealt well with everything else that I did end up putting on top of my face. So that's a plus. So, like I said, I'm going out right now. I'm about to go shopping. It is 10:50 in the morning and I'll be back sometime around 3 p.m. and we can see, you know, how this held up for the day. So see you guys then. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's about 2 p.m. in the afternoon now. Yeah, it's 2 o'clock. This is what my face is looking like. I am going to zoom you guys in so you guys can see my under eye so I can talk about it because I have some things to say. Okay guys, so this is my under eye up close and personal. I don't like it. I don't know what it is about it, but I'm just not into it at all. I don't know if it's like the color of the concealer that doesn't go with me, but to me it just looks like, I don't know, I don't like it. And it did like settle into the lines underneath my eyes, like these little, like I have 3 little lines, but I mean I'm not gonna get mad at it, but I do know that, you know, some of my other concealers don't do that. Okay, so yeah, I don't care for it at all. I don't know if maybe this is not the right color for me, but all in all, like I don't like the way my under eyes look. Like it's throwing off my entire makeup look to me completely, and I'm not a fan of this. It's not to say that this is like a bad concealer. Let me zoom you guys back out. Yeah, so it's not to say that this is a bad concealer or anything. I don't like this. Maybe this shade is really not for me. This is C11. Maybe I need to try like C12 or C13, but I don't like the way this is looking on my face, which is why I even came back so early, because I was just like telling my friend like I really hate the way my face looks right now, and I came home and it's only been like 3 hours ish since I've been wearing this. It's not like it's cracking or patchy or anything like that. So I do think that the formula might be really, really good, but personally I just don't care for this. Even though it's $8, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna just like return this. I don't know if I want to go and try like another color, since I feel like I do have really affordable, and like my ColourPop one is so good to me and I love it so much. This is a no bueno for me. I'm sorry. I know a lot of people love this, but I don't. So yeah, that's the end of this review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from what I had to say. If you guys have this concealer and it does work for you, please let me know if there's something that I should do differently, or I don't know what. Maybe it really is the color that I need to change. But I will see if maybe I can get my hands on another shade, and then we will see where it goes up from there. But I definitely think that this is an overhyped product. Like, no, it just wasn't for me this time. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below.